In this video, we will discuss about the ultimate e-commerce checklist for new store owners. The process of building an online store can be confusing, especially when you have a beginner. You might not know what to do first, and so you do a little bit of everything in random order. Unfortunately, this might result in some missed steps. To make sure you have set up for success, we have created a handy e-commerce checklist for new store owners. An e-commerce checklist is a list of action steps that need to be taken in order to successfully launch an online store. It helps you think through the steps, processes, and assets you need to streamline before any store launch. Most of us already uses checklist for things like shopping, disaster preparation, and so on to help us ensure that no step in a process and skipped or neglected. Similarly, an e-commerce checklist can help you ensure the launch of your online store goes as smoothly as possible. Many aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs feel overwhelmed by all steps they have to take early on. Picking a custom domain name for your online store helps you gain brand recognition and makes it easier for people to remember your web address. You will want to use a domain name tool first to see if your preferred name is available. Any online store need a few pages where it can list helpful information about the businesses. Some of the visitors will want to know your story and how you started the company. Others will browse around trying to get more information about the products listed on your website. Your checkout experience can make or break your chances for a sale. With online shopping carts, abandonment rates nearing highs, it's wise to minimize friction and resolve any error at checklist. Shoppers can easily edit the contents of their chart. Shipping rates appear during checklist. It's easy to apply customer discount. Customer can easily enter shipping detail.